guys, my name is Catherine Sheldon. I am a younger college student, but obviously I'm going to Widener right now. And I'm just recording my introduction video for you guys. So my experience with learning research has been, I think, mostly typical. I just finished my bachelor's about a year or two ago, so I did research in school. I was really used to systematic reviews. I did a lot of those. I haven't really used a lot of Excel though, as far as formulas, so I think that'll be pretty interesting. I haven't done that. So I think I've got a lot to learn when it comes to that. I think what would make learning research fun for you, I think just being able to be very hands-on with it. I really enjoy reading, so systematic reviews for me are really interesting to learn because you're learning what other people have done, how it worked, how it didn't work, and I really think that that is super interesting and a great way to learn. I feel like I learn a lot better hands-on, so that's always really cool for me. And then I think the biggest thing that excites me is just really being able to learn a lot more about Excel. I feel like that's definitely my weakness, um, and I want to become a professor myself and get my doctorate, which means a lot of research. So I think this is a good way to get into that research at a master's level versus just the bachelor's level I'm used to. So thanks you guys, and I'm looking forward to class with you. Have a good night.